The Way of Breadlessness, Day 245. The teacher was seated on top of a hill with the sun behind him silhouetting his form. In front of him, at the beginning of the slope, sat the students. He was holding in his hand a loaf of bread. "Messiah," he said, taught his disciples to pray, "Give us this day our daily bread." "Why?" "Because we need to eat," said one of the students. "But why should that be a part of a prayer to God?" asked the teacher. "Because God wants us to bring him our most basic needs," said another. "Yes," said the teacher. "Messiah was teaching us to bring our most basic needs to God. But how many of you is it that don't have bread for the day or food for the day? Raise your hands." No one raised their hand. "Then why did he tell you to ask for bread you already have? How can he give you what is already yours? And how can you receive what you already possess?" "If we have it," said one of the students, "then we can't receive it." "Then we must not have it," said the teacher. At that, he began breaking the loaf into small pieces, passing them to the students. When he finished, he continued with his teaching. "You can't ask for what you already have, yet we are told to ask for our bread every day. So what does it mean to pray that prayer? To pray that prayer, you must relinquish your ownership. You must let go even of your daily bread. But it is in the relinquishing that you open yourself up to a miracle. It is only what you don't have that you can receive from God. And if you don't even own your daily bread, then what do you have? And if you don't have anything, then God can bless you with everything, every day. Then the possessions you once took for granted and are freed up to undergo a transformation, to be turned into blessings given and blessings received from heaven. For when you take no blessing for granted, then everything in your life is a transformed into a gift. Everything in your life is transformed into a gift. Learn the power of this prayer and the blessing that comes in letting go even of your daily bread. It is then that your life will be filled with miracles and blessings, the inheritance of those who have attained the state of breadlessness. The mission: practice the state of breadlessness. Empty yourself of all possessions, even the most basic things. Receive it all anew as a gift from God. Deuteronomy 8:3, Joshua 13:3, and Matthew 6:9-11.